listen, I've only heard Kevin stuff. I have another one for you.
Alright, but just easier that way.
You told me about the last stream.
No, forget it.
Well, why not? Was I doing something particularly saucy?
Alright, fine. Well, you were not the only one there. Joy was there too.
Was there, anybody else there? Or? You sure? Nobody hanging out mints or anything?
No, it's just three of us.
Huh.
Like you and Chandler and then you and me, or you and me and Chandler?
You know what?
Radio?
Not so good. It's Alexander Anderson, my grandfather.
How would you know he said that?
Look, it makes perfect sense. He's the original Bernie in the family. He's been looking for Mysterious Island for like half his life, and nobody's heard from him in 2 years. I think he's in trouble, and I'm gonna find him.
No, stop. Sean.
I'm not letting you go on